Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. You know me, I love to crochet accessories and also hair accessories, and hairbands are one of my favorite items to make. And this hairband is surprisingly easy, and it makes an adorable headpiece for you, for your friends and for your girls. The pattern notes you will find in the box below this video as always, and the written pattern is available at my website. You can use any yarn, any color you like. You can use one color yarn, or for example this rainbow color yarn. It's yarn jeans. You should prepare some really nice and cute buttons, crochet hook 3mm, some scissors, also sewing needle and tapestry needle. So let's get started, my crochet friends. I would like to show you how to crochet this cute cable hairband. I will show you the size for girls, but you can very easily make your hairband wider and longer. Just start your foundation chain longer. For girl size, I would recommend you to start with 12 chains, and for ladies I would recommend to start with 14 or 16 chains. Okay, now chain 1 and yarn over, insert the hook in the second chain from your hook, yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on your hook. We will make half double crochet stitches in each and every chain the end of the row. We will work in rows and turn your work when you finish your work each row and start with chain 1. I don't count chain 1 at the beginning as a stitch. So at the end of this row you will have 12 half double crochet stitches. I'm almost at the end. So 12 half double crochet stitches in the first row, and you will have 12 double crochet stitches in each and next row as well. So look at my work. You can clearly see the top of stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, yarn over and look at my work. Here is the front and back loop. Okay, and I will work half double crochet in back loop only. Okay, so turn your work a bit towards yourself, find the back loop and insert the hook in this back loop and finish a half double crochet. And place a half double crochet in first 6 stitches. So at the beginning you will have chain 1 plus 6 half double crochet stitches, work in back loop only. You will see it will create a really nice pattern on your hairband. So here we are, we have 6 half double crochet stitches in back loop, and now chain 12 chains. Okay, 12 chains. This number is for all sizes. So 12 chains, and then we will continue crocheting half double crochet stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch and back loop only again, and finish 6 half double crochet till end of row. So in each row you will have 6 half double crochet stitches at the beginning, then a loop or a chain, and again 6 half double crochet stitches till the end of a row. Once you finish, 6 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and turn your work. Always work in back loop only when you crochet half double crochet stitches. So you see we have 6 at the beginning and 6 at the end, and there is 12 chain in the middle of our hairband. Now chain 1 and place again a half double crochet in each and every stitch at the beginning, in each and every half double crochet. So we will always have at the beginning 6 half double crochet stitches. Perfect. Let's finish the last one, and now we reach the chain, 6 half double crochet stitches, and I will place 12 single crochets around the chain. Okay, so work around the chain, not into chains, and work 12 single crochets. Okay, so we started with foundation chain 12, and we have also this loop which has 12 chains as well, and we just finished 12 single crochet stitches. Now yarn over, insert the hook in next half double crochet in back loop, and there are 6 half double crochets till end of row, so place a half double crochet in each stitch. So again at the beginning we started with 6 half double crochet stitches, and we end up with 6 half double crochet stitches as well. You see, and this is what we will make and repeat. So row number 2 and row number 3 repeat very easily. So chain 1 and 1 half double crochet in next 6 stitches. So every second row has 12 chains in the middle. So this is row number 4, and we started with 6 half double crochet and then chain 12 chains. So in every second row we chain 12 chains between 2 groups of 6 half double crochet stitches, and there are 6 half double crochet stitches left, so I will place a half double crochet in each half double crochet. Okay, so finish the row, and in next row again place, start with 6 half double crochet and then work 12 single crochets around the chain. Okay, so I just finished 6 half double crochet and now 12 single crochets. So it's super easy. In every second row you have a chain in the middle, and in next row you have 12 single crochets around the chain. Here we are, and just finish the row with 6 half double crochet stitches. Okay, and this is what you will do and repeat keeping till you are satisfied with the length of your hairband. So it's super easy, isn't it? And once you finish, we will create a nice cable in the middle of the headband. So this is it, my crochet friends. You can continue crocheting, and I will meet you once you have the satisfied length of your hairband. Just quickly show you that you can also use a rainbow yarn like this, and your hairband will change the colors. So here I am, I just finished my hairband. In total I made 34 loops. This is it, 34 loops. This is my pattern, and I'm satisfied with the length. I will do the measurement once the loops are put together. So now let me join the loops together. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. Okay, so make sure the right side is facing you. And now grab the next loop and pull it through the first loop. Okay, this is it. Grab the next one and pull it through the previous one. And this is what you will do till the end of hairband. Always make sure you pull the loop from the inside to outside. Okay. Inside to outside, and it creates a really nice cable pattern. I love it. So cute, isn't it? Perfect. So join all loops together, and I will meet you at the end. Here I am. Now let me do the measurement. The hairband has 45 centimeters, 17.7 inches, and it has 4.5 centimeters, which is 2 inches. So this is how is the hairband wide. Always do the measurement once the loops are connected together, okay? So the last thing is to sew the button on the first or the second row of half double crochet stitches, and then join both ends together. Okay, so once you are satisfied with the length, you can cut the yarn, prepare your tapestry needle and hide the end. Okay, I would recommend you to do the measurement of your hairband once you join all loops, as the hairband is a bit shorter than the crocheted unjoined work. Okay, now you can cut the yarn and prepare your pattern, and we will sew the pattern on the right side, approximately on the second row of half double crochet stitches. Okay, so prepare a yarn about 30 centimeters long. Start working on the wrong side, so wrong side is facing you, and first of all sew this hole, so join the stitches together. Okay. Then you work on right side, then prepare your cute button. I chose this really shiny nice one, and sew the button on the second row. Wow, this is it. I'm so satisfied with the color of my button. It nicely corresponds with the yarn. Okay, hide all ends. Perfect. And this is it. We are almost done. Now bring both ends together and join them. Wow, this is it. I love it. Nice, cute hairband is just finished. I'm so satisfied how it turned out. And this is also the end of my video tutorial. I hope you like it. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I always love your feedback, so you can put your comments in the box below this video. If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you happy crocheting, take care and bye for now. Bye bye.